back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a foundation review. I'll be reviewing the Skin by Mented foundation. So let's just get into the video. I wanted to review this foundation. I have been testing it out and using it for quite some time. If you don't know, Mented Cosmetic is one of my favorite makeup brands. It's a company that I just really believe in. I love their products. I love the quality of the products. The company was founded by a Black woman, and the brand story to me is just very inspirational. So I started trying out their products last spring, like spring 2021. I started out with like lip products, and I really enjoyed everything that I purchased from them. And it's rare where you find a brand where every single product is a win or every single product is just good. But seriously, everything I purchased from Mented, at this point I kind of have almost something in every single category. So I figured I'd come on today and share their foundation. So Skin by Mented, and it's a foundation stick. I'm going to do kind of a application piece where I apply the foundation so you guys can see how it is, how it goes on. It's a very easy application. It's a stick foundation. It applies like butter to your skin. It blends out beautifully. The color range is very inclusive. They have so many shades. In fact, I feel like this shade is more like my winter shade because I purchased it in the colder months. But you're gonna see when I do it, it still works. But their color range is definitely inclusive. They have lots of shades. You can find your perfect match. I love the formula of this, and I was saying I love how simple it is. This is, guys, this is my travel foundation. When I'm traveling for like more than just an overnight, like for example, when I visit Puerto Rico and I'm there for, you know, a little while, longer than like a quick holiday, I am using this foundation because it's just easy to travel with. I also love this for more like everyday use. Usually I apply it and buff it out with a brush. I'm going to use a sponge today because I'm applying a little more since I'm on camera and I want to get a full coverage look. But usually for day-to-day wear, just a few swipes and I buff it out with a brush. It gives me this beautiful natural coverage and it looks so good. Like my skin ends up looking so good. I'm super excited to share more about the brand with you all because I absolutely love their stuff. And I think it's such a privilege as an influencer, content creator, that you get opportunities to work with a company, a brand that you're really passionate about. I'm just a fan of the brand who gets to share it with you guys on a different level. So I think that's what's cool about it. You guys know I talk about the Mented Cosmetic lip gloss constantly, nonstop, pretty much all summer. If you saw any glossy finish on my lips, it was Mented Cosmetic lip gloss. Hands down the best lip gloss formula I've ever tried. Yeah, so let's just get into the full foundation review. I'm going to take you guys back to before I did the makeup. I am wearing the foundation. This is the finalized look, but we're going to kind of rewind the clock so you guys can see how I apply the foundation. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's get started. This is Skin by Mented foundation, and it just comes in this tube. I'm in the shade T40, so I'm just going to apply it to my skin. I have a mirror over here that I'm looking at as well, so let me just apply it and blend that in. Before I got started, I already had primed my skin. I really love the finish of this foundation because it's so natural. One thing I will say, this was more like my winter spring shade because I bought this some time ago. Definitely go for another shade deeper for summer. A quick summary about the foundation: it's an ultra hydrating formula, lightweight, buildable coverage, and you definitely could see I added more than I would normally because I'm filming. If I were just wearing this on the go, I would probably do like one swipe and then blend that all over, but I kind of added more products because I wanted a more full coverage look because I am filming for you guys. But it's buildable, giving the coverage that you need with a natural finish you love. And I said that this is a very beautiful skin-like natural finish. Finished up most of my makeup. Two more things I need to do was blush and lipstick, and because they're both Mented products, I figured I'd share it with you. So this is the blush I'm currently using. It's by Mented Cosmetics. It's Clay Too Much. Natural color for me. So just to give me that slight flush color, but not too much. So I love this blush with one of my favorites, which is Red Rover. This is another Mented cosmetic product. One of my favorite lipsticks, especially one of my favorite red lipsticks. So let me just apply the lipstick. Back. This is the final look. Let's just talk about the natural finish and the longevity. This is definitely an easy to wear foundation, super lightweight. I think that's the best way to describe it. It's very lightweight and breathable. Once you blend it in, it's like nothing. You know what? You don't feel like you have tons of product on your skin. Small layer to create that really beautiful complexion. So the formulation creates this very breathable, very lightweight feel, which is perfect for warmer months, but it's actually very easy to wear day to day. You know, you don't want to wear makeup because it just feels like you need to get a break. You just need your skin to breathe. You know, you don't want to put something on your skin every day. This is the type of foundation that you can easily wear day to day because it feels so natural and like breathable. As far as wear time, I usually wear this just about 12 hours. It's one of those foundations that after time, because I have very, very oily skin, guys. My oils do start to break through this foundation probably about the 10 to 12 hour mark where I need a touch up. But pretty much if I'm wearing this foundation, it's one of those easygoing products. Gives me that natural skin finish. As you guys can see, this is not a totally matte look on me. I've been wearing the foundation now just about 2 hours, so you guys can see like the finish, and you can still see kind of my natural glow to my skin. And so it pretty much looks like this throughout the wear, and I would say about 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours of wear for me. So I imagine this would be good for all skin types. Right, I can really rave about the foundation, Mented in general. One thing I wanted to say is it retails for $30. So the retail price of this is $30. You can actually use my code, and I'll put a link below to Mented Cosmetics, but you can actually use my code, which is very simple. It's just my name, Zara Justina, no space though, and you'll get 15% off your order. What's cool about my code is that you can use it on top of promotions. So if Mented Cosmetics is having a sale, which they often have promotions, you can still use my code on top of whatever promotion they may be running for an additional 15% off your total. If you see that they're having a promotion and you were already interested in something, then use my code Zara Justina and get an additional 15% off. I will link below some of my other favorite Mented products, but this was just a review of the foundation. So guys, that's my review of the Skin by Mented foundation. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.